we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Acer Aspire TC-1775-UR11 desktop. That's include sleek and functional. The Aspire TC was designed with a progressive style. The smooth hairline finish adds style while the embedded optical drive adds function while maintaining the integrated architectural appearance. Within easy reach are the most used connection points: USB 3.2 ports, headphone, and microphone jacks. Intel Core i5-14400, 10-core processor, up to 4.7 GHz, Intel UHD graphics 730. 8GB 4800 MHz DDR5 memory, up to 32 GB, 512 GB M.2, 2280 PCIe Generation 4 SSD, Secure Digital, SD, card reader. Intel Wireless Wi-Fi 6 EAX211, Gig+, supports dual-stream Wi-Fi in the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands, including ULM-UMIMO, Bluetooth 5.3. 10/100/1000 Gigabit Ethernet LAN. 1. USB 3.2 Gen 1, 5 Gbps Type-C port, front. 2. USB 3.2 Gen 1 5 Gbps Type-A ports, 1 front and 1 rear. 4. USB 2.0 480 megabits ports, rear. 1. HDMI out 1.4B port and 1. HDMI out 2.0 port, rear. 1. Ethernet RJ45 port, rear. USB keyboard and mouse included. Windows 11 Home. Multitasking machine. Make every day easier with the high-performance Aspire TC. From basic computing to multimedia entertainment, it's a robust hub for your every computing need. Snap between tasks with the latest Intel Core i5 processor and 8GB of DDR5 memory. This sophisticated PC delivers plenty of speed, power, and storage so you can play, create, do more. Easily expandable and with remarkable performance, the Aspire TC series is the perfect partner when it comes to demanding tasks like video editing and compiling photo albums. And it offers front panel media access so you can easily connect to your digital devices. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.